All right, here we go, childrens. For this one, we add 5 to both sides, so D is less than or equal to 6. So that is what you put over here. Hopefully that's kind of easy to see. Maybe it'd be better if I wrote with black. So D is less than or equal to 6, which means that I have 6. It is a closed circle because of the or equal to, and it runs to the left. Number 2, we subtract 1x from each side, so x is less than 2. That is what goes here. We have a 2 here, open circle, runs to the left. Subtract 15 from both sides. 3w is less than or equal to negative 6. Divide by 3. Because we're dividing by a positive number, we do not switch the inequality. So w is less than or equal to negative 2, which means a closed circle running to the left. Wow, everything's running to the left. This one, a divided by 4, means I'm going to multiply by 4 on each side. So a is more than 36. A is more than 36. Open circle, we're finally running to the right. All right, distributive property first. So 2q minus 6 plus 6 is less than or equal to negative 10. Those 6's cancel each other out, so 2 times q is less than or equal to negative 10. Divide by 2, so q is less than or equal to negative 5. Close circle at negative 5, running to the left. All right, distributive property. So negative 4x plus 6 minus 4 is more than or equal to 10. Negative 4x plus 2 is more than or equal to 10. Subtract 2. Negative 4x is more than or equal to 8. Now this one, you are dividing by a negative number, which means we switch that inequality to the opposite direction. So x is less than or equal to negative 2. Close circle at negative 2 running to the left. All right, these are compound inequalities. First you need to solve them, then graph them. So, number 7, we divide both sides by 2, and y is less than 3, and y is more than negative 1. You could keep it just like this written on number 7, or you have negative 1 is less than y, which is less than 3, whichever one, doesn't matter. So I have negative 1, 1, 2, 3, open circles on both of them. It's an and, so it's everything in between. Number 8, there's 2 ways to do this one. You can split it up into 2. So I can split it up as negative 5 is less than x minus 4. So I stopped at this inequality. Or I could stop at this inequality and it's an and, so x minus 4 is less than negative 1. Or you can do my favorite thing, which is actually having both inequalities here. Whatever you do to the middle, you have to do to the outsides. So we're going to add 4 in the middle, so I have to add 4 on the left and add 4 on the right. So negative 1 is less than x is less than 3. So negative 1 is less than x is less than 3. Fun fact, that's the same answer as up above. Weird. You can blame that on Miss Falk. I didn't make this one. If you did the same thing over here, you'd still have negative 1 is less than x. Add 4, x is less than 3. All right, this is an or, so you're going to do both of them. So add 5 to this one. 2d is more than 8. Divide by 2. So d is more than 4. And add 4. So d is less than or equal to 1. So d is more than 4, or d is less than or equal to 1. So I have my 1, and d is less than or equal to that. Oh, JK, that is -1. Good news, I caught that myself. Okay, sorry, close circle on 1, less than or equal to, and open circle on 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so it goes in that direction.